An offer in compromise, OIC, and currently not collectible, CNC, status are two different options offered by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to help individuals or businesses who are unable to pay their tax debt in full. Here's an explanation of each. 1. Offer in compromise, OIC. An offer in compromise is a program administered by the IRS that allows eligible taxpayers to settle their tax debt for less than the full amount they owe. It is an option for individuals or businesses facing financial hardship who are unable to pay their tax debt in full and don't have sufficient assets to cover the debt. Here's how it works. Eligibility. To qualify for an OIC, you must meet specific eligibility criteria, including demonstrating that paying the full tax debt would cause financial hardship or be deemed unfair. You must also be up to date with your tax filings. Application process. You must submit an OIC application, along with a detailed financial statement, to the IRS. This statement includes information about your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Review and evaluation. The IRS will review your OIC application and assess your financial situation to determine if they can accept a reduced amount as full payment. They consider factors like your ability to pay, income, expenses, and asset equity. Offer amount. If your OIC is accepted, you will propose an offer amount in your application. This amount should be a reasonable estimate of what you can afford to pay. The IRS may accept, reject, or negotiate the offer amount. Payment options. If your OIC is accepted, you have payment options. You can pay the reduced amount as a lump sum or in installments. In some cases, the IRS may allow you to make periodic payments over time. Compliance. You must remain compliant with your tax obligations for at least 5 years after your OIC is accepted, which includes filing and paying taxes on time. Failure to comply can result in the OIC being revoked. Advantages. An OIC can provide relief from overwhelming tax debt and allow you to settle for a reduced amount. It also stops collection efforts while the IRS evaluates your offer. 2. Currently not collectible, CNC, status. Currently not collectible, CNC, status is a temporary status granted by the IRS to individuals or businesses facing financial hardship. It essentially puts your tax debt on hold and suspends IRS collection efforts. Here's how it works. Eligibility. To qualify for CNC status, you must demonstrate that paying your tax debt would cause significant financial hardship. This hardship may result from a lack of income, high necessary expenses, or other circumstances. Application process. You can request CNC status by contacting the IRS directly or through a tax professional. You will typically need to provide financial documentation to support your request. Review and approval. The IRS will review your financial situation and determine whether you qualify for CNC status. If approved, they will temporarily halt collection activities, including wage garnishments, bank levies, and asset seizures. Temporary status. CNC status is not a permanent solution. It is typically granted for a specific period, during which the IRS will not actively pursue collection efforts. However, interest and penalties may continue to accrue on the unpaid tax debt. Annual review. The IRS may periodically review your financial situation to determine if your CNC status should be continued or if you are now able to pay some or all of your tax debt. Advantages. CNC status provides temporary relief from IRS collection efforts, allowing you time to improve your financial situation. It does not eliminate the tax debt but can provide breathing room. Both offers in compromise and currently not collectible status are options for individuals or businesses facing financial difficulties due to tax debt. It's important to consult with a tax professional or attorney to determine which option, if any, is suitable for your specific circumstances and to navigate the application process effectively.